radiating their sci-fi compositions all the way down the coast from the Bay Area. Los Microwaves, TV in my eye.
You walk into my office and you look just like me, and we're wearing the same outfit 'cause we saw it on TV. Have you seen the new season? There's a new family. Everything is so familiar. And we all know what to eat. And we all know what to wear. And we all know what to buy. Got a TV in my eye. It's a simple operation to replace your point of view, and it's gonna start a standard as the only thing to do. Can you show me a reason for the new tyranny? The ADI is in the next room. Target group is you and me. And we all know what to eat. And we all know what to wear. And we all know what to buy. Got a TV in my eye. Los Microwaves! Please gather around me now so we can expose their bare flesh to this. These guys came down from San Francisco. Here's David Javelosa, Meg, and Todd. David, I've heard it said that pain is a rich man's pleasure. Is that true?
It depends on where you're coming from.
And where are you coming from other than the Bay Area?
San Francisco.
And what's the...
We're not coming for money yet.
The clothes are very good, though. I noticed at the end of the song, Meg, you arrive in almost a straight-jacketed position. Does that have any reference to a mental institution?
No, but I've been sleeping in a sleeping bag all week. And that's had some effect.
So you guys are traveling up and down the coast just looking for a place to hang your hat, play the music?
Sort of, yeah.
This is one of the bands that we discussed earlier because of their witty, sarcastic, even angry demeanor. What about anger? You guys have a lot of anger?
I'm pissed as hell. Pissed as hell.
At whom, at what, and why?
Just general existence.
Is there anything that you can do through your music or through the lyrics to change the way things are to make that general existence more pleasurable?
We'll say that again?
Do you think that through your lyrics you can change anybody or change anybody's mind?
Just the members in the band.
And we're going to turn the members in this
That could change my mind.
Next week, meet us at the Olympic. Meg and David will wrestle it out in mud.